Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to a wonderful video where I'm going to share a fantastic plan for your Ielts preparation. Well guys, as far as Ielts reading is concerned, many academic Ielts candidates, they get confused when it comes to reading. They don't have any specific strategy. They solve test after test, but the result is same. Sometimes 15, sometimes 18, sometimes 21, and then again back to 15 correct answers. They don't know how to cage this wild elephant of academic Ielts reading. So, where there is a problem, there is a solution. Always remember, if there is a bigger problem and you have the solution, that solution is an opportunity for you. As Ielts has become an opportunity for me and I'm availing this opportunity to teach you guys. So, what happens? You solve test after test without clearly understanding or without clearly having an action plan. What is action plan? Action plan is in what type of questions you have to read the questions first, or in what type of questions you have to go through the passage first. For example, list of headings. Read the passage first. For example, short answer questions, true, false, not given. Read the questions first. So if you don't have action plan, at the end your Ielts reading experience will become a mishmash of so many things. Ideas, reading, and the way you solve the test will be mingled, and at the end you will be sitting like this and you will never know what to do. Well, I've got a great experience of teaching Ielts because I've been teaching Ielts for more than 10 years now, and during this time I've come across so many students and I help them in Ielts. So I have developed this wonderful study plan for academic Ielts candidates for their Ielts preparation. This academic study plan is going to give you a planner. It's a day-wise planner. Day 1, one complete academic Ielts reading test, questions 1 to 40 with me, with tips, techniques, and through screen you can see the text and the questions as well. Then after doing this day 1 test with me, do another test from academic Ielts reading book on your own. Day 2, start your reading with watching or by watching the video of another test, complete test, all 40 questions. Watch it carefully, see how I read the questions, what I take care of, what I look into consideration, how I reach the passage and how I find the answer, and then solve one test on your own. So one test with me through the planner and one test on your own independently. One dependent reading, one independent reading. So go on like this, and there is this 18 days plan which is going to help you get your desired band. Now, you might be thinking, how to get this plan? Where is the plan, right? If I would have told you before, you would never reach this point on this video, okay? So, that's why I didn't tell you about that. Well, the plan is given in the description box of this video. I advise you to copy paste this plan, copy it and paste it on WhatsApp, because it's easier for you to find the plan or to work it out on WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can just see, you can, get this video and every time come to this video and click on day 1, watch the videos. And day 1 contains a playlist. Day 1 does not contain one video. It's a playlist. There are around 7 to 8 videos which you have to watch for your Ielts preparation. You might be thinking, wow, what a nice plan. I'll get watch time, views and all that. Guys, I've gone far beyond watch time and views and this and that, okay? I don't need to think about it. I'm getting it already. Right? So I'm making this video in the greater interest of you guys. I have developed this study plan that one test you solve with me, another test you solve on your own. So there are 7 to 8 videos. You need to watch them all. These videos are in proper sequence. Once you watch all these videos, all 40 questions you solve with me. Now you try to solve one test on your own. And if you follow this 18 days plan religiously, you will see improvement in Ielts reading. Day 1 when you start, probably 15 correct answers, and day 18 when you finish, you will have a reasonable number of correct answers, which is going to reflect your target band in Ielts. All the best, guys. At the moment I'm in Dubai. This is Iconic Solutions, Spin Tower, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai, 40th floor of this building, and I'm enjoying this beautiful aerial view. Behind me there is Arabian Sea, and I can see luxury yachts and boats and vessels as well. Anyways, I teach here as well. I teach in Dubai and I teach in Pakistan, but I come to Dubai very occasionally, right? So if you wish to be a part of my classes in Lahore, on campus and online all over the world, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.